Hello. Yeah, hi, this is Kopal Khanna, Taper Tales founder. Yeah, let me connect to our legal department. One second. Hello. This is Taper Tales legal head. Yeah, you'll receive the email by UD. Don't worry about it. All right, okay, bye. Hi, I'm Kopal Khanna. I'm the founder, legal head, marketing head, finance head, social media intern, volunteer, sales intern, CEO, curator at Taper Tale. The mega combo pack known as ENTI entrepreneur. लाइफ के पहले 25 साल इस शब्द को सही से प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं ये सीखा, और बाद के 25 साल ये सीख रही हूं कि प्रोनाउंस करना तो सबसे आसान काम था. बट यू नो व्हाट दे से, राइट? दैट व्हेन यू डू समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, you get freedom. You go with the flow. You do what you do when you want to do it. Oh, the joy of not having a regular 9 to 5 job. But a 24/7. Truth be told, 25 की उम्र में I got fired from my regular 9 to 5 job because I started Taper Tale. And I dove into the world of endless possibilities. अपने ऑडियंस से क्या झूठ बोलना. Endless uncertainties. Uncertainty number 1. काउंट करोगे ना मेरे साथ? रेंट कौन पे करेगा? Definitely not my little passion project. But my 2 part-time jobs that I'll have to do on the side in order to fuel my passion project. And definitely not my mission to make a safe space for people to share their stories. People are sharing their stories. But who is listening? And that brings us to uncertainty number 3. Who's listening? So for those of you who do not know, we started Taper Tale as an audio website called tapertale.com, where people could record, tape their audio stories and the world could listen. Hence, Taper Tale. And we had a whooping 32 listeners on our website for the first 5 months. वाह यार, तुम लोग तो बड़े easily impressed हो. अरुकन थोड़े ड्रम रोल्स भी बजा दे. स्टोरी के स्टार्ट में ड्रम रोल्स नहीं बजते हैं. बट यार, इन कहानियों को लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए कुछ तो करना था. एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करें. एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू अनसर्टेनिटी नंबर. टिकट्स कौन लेगा? वेल, एक दिन मैं इसी अनसर्टेनिटी में डूबी हुई थी. And then I started thinking about a time when, in this short span of running Taper Tale, for the very first time, I thought we were onto something. It was when I was curating the first 20 stories for our website, and a story about a domestic abuse survivor brought tears to my eyes. And that day I kept thinking that what if this girl, this survivor, this beautiful woman, stands on a stage in front of a live audience and narrates her story? What a moment that would be. And that's it. I had my answer. Event तो करना था. तारीख 11 जुलाई 2017. शहर बंबई. इवेंट का नाम कहानियां. हमारा पहला. बैंड्रा के ऑटो वाले भैया को रोक के उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करे, क्योंकि ऑटो के पीछे इवेंट का पोस्टर लगा के मार्केटिंग की थी. सबवे के मैनेजर से एक्स्ट्रा सब्स खरीद के बोला था, भैया प्लीज बैंड्रा के सारे सबवेज में हमारे इवेंट के पोस्टर्स लगा दो. दोस्तों को दोस्ती की मिसालें देके कहा था, यार तू मेरे इवेंट का टिकट नहीं लेगा. एंड देन केम शो डे. हम कर रहे थे इंतजार. और फिर आया हमारा पहला दोस्त, फिर दूसरा दोस्त, और फिर आए आप भी आए थे सर, याद है आपको? That was the first time I met you guys for the first time. My audience, my community, my beautiful, wholesome community. It was the first time this felt tangible. It felt palpable. It felt like I could touch it. That day sitting in the audience, I just felt like we were onto something. Something big. Bigger than me for sure. Perhaps bigger than my dreams. That's what having a dream does to you. It gives you that thing. Hope. A hope that anything can happen. And just sometimes you believe in that possibility so hard that that dream can't dare to give up on you. DREAMER. Dreamer. I'm not an entrepreneur. To be honest, I knew nothing about how a company runs when I started Tapetel. All I knew is that every bone in my body itched to create something meaningful. Every bone in my body wanted people to share their stories. Every bone in my body wanted people to hear those stories, whether their versions resonated with them or not, whether they looked like them or not. I wanted to create room for stories. Because in the end, you and I both know that only stories endure. And as long as people could continue to share their stories without fear, hope would continue to thrive.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure your seat back is in the upright position, your table is closed, and your seatbelt is fastened. And we recommend that you continue to fasten your seatbelt while seated during the flight.
8th April 2024. I'm on a flight to Australia. It's our first event all over again. Our first international event. I'm sitting on that flight and it feels surreal. I'm thinking to myself, it's been 7 long years. Have we finally made it? Is this what making it feels like? It's a long flight. And I have enough time to think. We've landed now, and I have an answer. Making it doesn't really feel like anything. The trick is to continue to keep dreaming. That's the only secret I know. The destination is a farce. I think it doesn't even exist. Today, we have over 3 million followers. We work with some of the top poets and storytellers in the country. We've created viral storytelling campaigns for some global brands. And even today, when I meet people, they ask me, Gopal, what next? But that's not what I ask myself. I close my eyes and I think about a moment last year when a 16-year-old came to her show along with her father. They both walked up to me after the show and the father said, Gopal, every time I ask her, what do you want to be when you grow up? She says, Papa, I want to be a storyteller. And I tell her, I don't even know what that means. So today she's got me to your show to show me what it means. And after watching it, I really hope that my daughter grows to become a storyteller. The fact that somebody dreams to become a storyteller today gives me goosebumps. But isn't that what we all are? A dream piled up on a dream, 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 piled up on a dream. You dream and your dream nudges somebody else to dream. And the ripple effect of that is felt in places you can't even imagine. So today, if you are sitting in this auditorium nesting a dream in your heart, be patient with it. Wings take time to form. Wings take time to form. मैं अकेला ही चला था जनबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Well, this was the story so far. The first lap, as I'd like to call it. From now, it's only going to get better. I see Tapetel as a home for its artists, its community, its storytellers, its brands. And I promise to only get bigger and better from here. And with that hope in my heart, and hopefully no tears in my eyes, I want to unveil Tapetel's new logo to you. The 2.0 of our story. And this time, we have a team. Bring it on, guys. Come on. We need everybody from the team up. Come. Is everybody here? All right. Through center stage, aajo. Center. All right. We're ready? See that? All right. Okay. Thank you, Delhi. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. You've been such a beautiful audience.